In this video, I want to show you how to get bigger affiliate commissions than advertised.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Per sale. So I'm going to give you this example of Bluehost. I'm on CJ.com. They have Bluehost here. You see, I searched for it. It's one of the advertisers. We expand this offer, and you see every sale is $65 that the affiliate marketer gets. But here's what I'll show you. This is one of the emails I get when I get credited for a referral, right? Bluehost, Genadinik, that's me. That's my account, obviously, because that's my last name. Credited for a new account sign up, okay, whatever. Here's what's interesting. You have been credited for $80 for your referral, but everybody else you see gets $65. And if we scroll down here, there aren't any more upsells. It's basically $65 is all you get. How is this different? Okay, so here's the trick. If you start promoting one program and you're successful at selling it, if you're maybe in a niche and you get a lot of traffic in a niche, and because you're getting a lot of traffic, you're able to sell and resell the same kind of a product, you become kind of a power affiliate, and you can contact that affiliate program directly, right? You see here they have email affiliates at Bluehost, and you can renegotiate your affiliate commission only after you get a certain amount of sales. So for example, I think on Bluehost, if you make like 10 referrals a month, which is actually really hard because you got to get 10 people to sign up for a website. But with any affiliate program that you're promoting, if you start to get a lot of referrals to them, you start to become one of their more important affiliates, and then they can renegotiate things for you. Not always, but obviously you see, I renegotiated for myself. I literally emailed them and I said, hey, can you allow me to have a bigger commission? And they said, okay. I just basically communicated with their affiliate manager, who's the person who gets this email in their case, and they allowed me to do that. So what's the takeaway for you? If you become a power affiliate for a certain program, you can ultimately ask for a higher commission because you can tell them, oh, I might earn more with this competitor, with another affiliate program I'm thinking of changing. Would you be able to give me a higher affiliate commission, or so I don't leave, so I don't start promoting your competitor instead, because I can make more money there. And then often they'll actually give you, for the very exact same thing, a bigger referral commission.